Okay, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your font onto Cricut Design Space. I am using my MacBook Air. I don't have the Cricut access. I will probably soon. I don't know yet. So when I'm working with my Design Space on my MacBook, I always use Google Chrome just because you are able to see the different fonts on display right here. If I use the Safari, it will only show just like regular font. So right here, it kind of gives you a little example of which one it is. So let's get started. So I mostly use Dafont.com for all my font. I haven't really found another website that I really love. I mostly just stick to this one. So I'll go in and just download the ones that I like. Sometimes some won't download. They will give me a message, so I just won't even proceed to download it. So I go ahead and I like this one, so I'll just download, and you'll see that it pops up right here. So we're just gonna do a few, and hopefully I could get a message where it tells me so I could show you. I'm just gonna drop this little arrow down, and it's gonna show you all of them. Just double click it. Right here, it'll pop up, and just double click this one, and then install font. And you'll see that it installs it right there. All of them. Just double click it. Right here, it'll pop up, and just double click this one, and then install font. And you'll see that it installs it right there. But right here, if you go to downloads, they're going to be all right here. So you will just have to double click them. And then install. When I'm done installing them, I always delete them, just so that way I don't keep more unneeded stuff inside my computer. So right here, it's a little license, and it's just saying, you know, just it's only for personal use. If you use it for commercial or anything like that, you do have to contact the owner, and you will have to pay, just so that way you don't end up getting in trouble. But I just use it for personal use. So, okay, this is the message that I was talking about. It's a minor problem, but proceed with caution, so I'm not going to even take the caution. And I know Mac has very good security systems on their computer, but I just don't feel like even trying to mess with it. So I just won't download it. Once you do want to start using them on your Cricut Design Space, you do have to exit out of this. Just update. Go to text. So I know one of them was with an R. That one. There it is, my font installed. So I've discovered, I always wondered why they were so separate, but if you go to right here, letter spacing, just keep pushing until they are together. sometimes what I do is there are times when I have made them and see how the S is far away from the A. What I do is just duplicate and move them a little bit closer. There we go. So either you could just highlight them all together, move them around like that, but if you try, it'll just move whichever one you select. And then just wheel them together. And then just weld them together, and there you go. So I hope this video was helpful. I am going to be uploading more about little hacks that I have learned and kind of use every day when I use my Cricut. It's fun always learning. When I first pulled my Cricut out of the machine, out of the box, I was just so scared. I didn't know what to do. So these are things that I have learned that actually really help me. Let me know if I could make another video on something that you need help with. Thank you.